I'm sorry, guys, but hey, what's up, guys? OCD here, and today we're gonna fix this phone. No, but yeah, we're gonna fix this phone, and well, not gonna fix it. Well, that's not me, but you're gonna learn about fixing this phone. Well, yeah, we're gonna fix this phone, but you can learn, uh, but well, let's put it 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Okay, okay, learn. Let's learn. Let's learn how to fix this. We're gonna have open this box now, and now grabbing your phone. Close this box, and now we're gonna grab some other things to fix it. Well, it's like small thingies, but like no, I remember that's not good. But we're gonna we're gonna fix it with something. We have oh, that's the phone. That's the phone. Don't worry about that. Okay. Wait. I don't think this video is gonna. I don't think this video is in like in India. I know. No. I don't think it's Indian. This video. Oh no. Oh no. I cannot put it over. We're gonna fix this. What is this kind of bubble? No, that's nothing. First, we're gonna put it like this. We're gonna check it out. Now we're gonna wash it up. Afterwards, well, you wash it, right? You put it in the water. You put it in the water, right? So we're gonna clean it up. Now we're gonna put this thingy, and now we're gonna open this thing of the bag. We're gonna open the bag from the phone, and let's check if this is working. Right. Okay. Now after doing this, we're gonna open the bag again. Well, I guess we're not gonna open the bag. We're gonna put some other things. Right.
Dear Friday, we've got power tailgates to...
S10. Okay, we're gonna try to open this thingy. Well, yeah, we're gonna try to open this thing. I don't know how. I don't know how to. I don't. No, not fix it. It's you're gonna learn it forever. We gonna open it up. We can't. Well, yeah. We trying to open the back. Oh, sorry about. This is the back, and yeah, that's what we're trying. We're gonna open the back. Is that the back? Now we could pull this finger so that we can open it. Yeah. We're trying to open this thing so that we can fix it on it. Okay, this little thingy. This thingy. Okay, we're fixing the back. We're gonna fix the back. And, well, yeah, this is the back. And we're gonna fix it with this. We're gonna put this thing right here. And now we're gonna follow these things. And now we're gonna fix it. Oh no, we're gonna fix it. Okay, now we're gonna open this thingy so we can fix the screen. So we can fix the screen. Oh, a phone. I heard a phone. No. Oh, I heard a phone of the messenger, but well, someone called, but it's in the video, not the real report. Wherever you're gonna learn it. Uh, I have time. But whatever. When you finish? When will you finish? Oh my god. 17 minutes. Oh my god. Well, yeah. Whatever. Oh, I guess we're gonna fix other things. Well, instead of fixing this thingy, we're going to put a screen. We're gonna put a new we're gonna fix a new, like, a new screen. And, well, we're gonna fix a new phone. But you're gonna learn. You're gonna still learn it. Okay. How many hours? Oh. Oh, the camera is moving. Wait. You didn't realize that? Why would you do that? Well, whatever. Wait, someone is calling. No, but that's not really. Isn't the video that you learn. Whatever. Yeah. That's nothing. It's just a thingy. A thingy. Yeah, we had time. A little time. Well, I want to tell you, instead of fixing the other phone, I'm back with the dumb ad. Okay, instead of fixing the broke phone, the phone break, the screen break, we're gonna fix this new phone. But you're gonna still learn. Already told you. Well, tell you already. I tell you. I'm gonna stop. Take a little shit. Still, anyway, yeah, you can still learn this thing. I don't know why you're saying whatever in too much times. Well, okay. Let's learn. Well, okay. BRB. I didn't call to the bathroom or something. I just built the video so that I can finish fast. So that I can finish fast. And the video will just replace it. That's weird. I don't know. Almost finished. I got done. I got a bag. I got a bag. Okay. Oh! It sounds like but you know what, What's that sticker? It looks like a crack. Oh yeah, it's almost over. Now we're gonna put glue so that we can fix our new phone instead of the broken one that we that we that we opened the back of this thingy of this thingy of the back of the other of the brick phone. Now we fix our new phone instead of the broken one. And here's your phone. And instead of fixing this one, like oh yeah, but instead of fixing this one, we fixing this one. We put glue at the back of the broken one, so we can fix our new phone. Now here's your new phone, ready. And you learn about the phone one. Now you learn how to fix this one. I mean, you learn to fix this one. Now I hope you're doing great. I'm gonna stay and I'll see you next. Goodbye. We're gonna put it in the box. Okay, I hope you learned this one. Well, I don't know why they didn't learn. I don't know why they did not. I don't know why they did not fix the broke one, but now we're gonna end this video. I hope you're doing great. I'm gonna stay and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.